'cause we've been kneading, got 28 plain Oreos, so just the Oreo cookie and the vanilla filling. Then some of your teaspoons and tablespoons. Then baking powder. Last of all, 1 cup of milk. Let's get started with the real making. For the first step, take your Oreo and separate the cookie from the filling. I just twist it. Put the cookie over there. Take something to take this filling out. And then just put the cookie away and use my fingers to put the filling in a different bowl. It might be a little bit hard. Now I'm gonna do it with my rest of the cookies. I'm gonna do the rest of it now. Now I've separated the filling from the cookie. Now I'm gonna leave the filling aside, right over there. Now take a Ziploc, put your cookies in it. It's okay if your cookies crack, because they're supposed to crack. Now I'm grabbing my rolling pin. You can use something else like a stick. I'm just gonna break these 2 crumbs until it turns into crumbs. Now it's all broken to crumbs, so I'm gonna transfer it to this little bowl. I'm transferring it to the bowl right here. It's all transferred to the bowl right here now. As you see, I transferred my crumbs from the Ziploc to this bowl, and then you can see that it got crummy and powdery. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder into my crumbs. 1 teaspoon of baking powder into my crumbs. Now I'm gonna whisk it a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my 1 cup of milk, or 8 ounces of milk, into my crumbs and baking powder. I'm gonna whisk it all together until it turns into a good mixture. Now I'm gonna add my cream into my mixture and whisk it all together. So I just added my cream that I took from my Oreos and mixing it together with the mixture I made in this bowl right here. Now it's all mixed really good. We got a thick mixture, so we're ready to cook it in the stove. Get a pan which has a cap, open it up, take some cooking spray or some butter and spray the bottom of it. Now I took some parchment paper and I'm gonna put it on the bottom of my pan. Now I'm gonna pour my mixture into this pan and close it with the cap once I'm done pouring it. Now as you see, I've put all my mixture in here, so I'm gonna close it up with the cap. Now let's see how to make it in the stove. Now I'm gonna on my stove to medium heat. So you should do this too. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna put my mixture on this same pan and put my cap on with it. Now cook it for 40 to 45 minutes. Now I'm gonna open it up because it is ready. But first don't forget to off it. So I've offed it. I'm gonna take the lid off. You'll see some smoke, but that's okay. Take a toothpick and poke it in the middle of your cake. Take it out. You'll see a little bit of crumbs, but nothing like a batter sticking to your toothpick. So I just took the lid off of it, and then I just poked it and then took it out. And then as you see, there's nothing sticking, just a little bit of crumbs. But if you see some of your batter sticking to it, and it's not, that means it's not cooked properly. So you're gonna have to cook it a little bit more. Now it's ready. I've taken my cake out of the pan it was in and put it on a different plate. Now I'm gonna cut my cake. Chocolate Oreo cake is ready. I've added some whipped cream and strawberries so it tastes much better. Now I'm gonna enjoy eating it. You too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you like making this with me today. See you next time.